So this is part 2. The part 2. This is part 2, and this is part. No. This phone I'm holding is part 3. This one on right here
So I'm gonna
is
be
part
rating.
2.
I'm being rating your slimes.
No.
Yeah? That's part 2. Here's mine. Have good chances. Here. This is yours? I want it, please. I want to change.
No.
Well, we're done.
You do what you gotta do.
Can you help? I don't know how to do this. What is this? What did you put me in?
I don't know.
Then why the hell did you put me in here?
Okay, this is 10 out of 10. Really good. Highly recommend it. Okay. Oh, we're done. Bye.
Why am
Wait.
I rating yours? Oh my god, why is yours like that?
What are you doing?
Ew! It's caca! Caca!
Okay. Have a nice day. Happy Halloween. No.
Happy Halloween!
Hope you like this rating. Oh, the ASMR.
Yeah, you forgot my
Oh, it's not for me.
Look, so this is mine. Sorry about that. Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm so freaking old. It's not even recording. Hi guys, so to me again.
So I love this one.
Oh!
I loved it. So now, we got no time. Stop it.
Wait, I need to put closer. So hey guys, it's me again. It's because
So
see, look, it's Robbie. Look, Robbie. We should have did like this.
So this one was 10 out of 10, 6 out of 10, and 5 out of 10. And like the video, please. Bye.
So